Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to level up fast in Monopoly Go. Okay, first things first, the most efficient way to level up is by building properties on your board. As you construct different properties, your net worth increases, helping you to gain levels quickly. Another method is to complete color sets of properties. When you achieve this, you can spin a wheel that allows you to level up fast. Also, don't forget to keep an eye out for events, like the Epic Myths event, where collecting tokens can also help you level up quickly. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now level up fast in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.